Hey guys, we're going to do something really different today. We're going to turn beets into a cornstarch based ice cream, and it's a lot easier than you might think. So we're just going to start with peeled and quartered beets, 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a big pinch of kosher salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, freshly grated if you have whole nutmeg on hand. Give it a good toss and spread on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, then lower the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes or until fork tender. While they're still warm from the oven, puree in a blender or a food processor while streaming in some olive oil and a splash of water if you need it, just to help everything emulsify and get a nice consistency. Now for the ice cream base. In a large pot, add 2 cups of cold heavy cream, 2 cups of cold whole milk, and 3.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Whisk to combine, add in a splash of vanilla paste or extract, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of our beet puree. Cook on a medium-high heat, stirring until all the sugar dissolves and the mixture thickens. Strain the mixture, cool it, cover and chill for a minimum of 2 hours, maximum overnight. Now that that's out of the way, we can start our beet caramel, which starts with 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of beet juice. Whisk constantly on medium heat until it comes up to a boil. Whisk in a generous pinch of salt, 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of cold butter. Lower to a simmer for 10 minutes, whisking occasionally. Let it cool and chill in an airtight container. Once that's done chilling, churn in an ice cream machine for 20 to 25 minutes or by your manufacturer's instructions. Towards the end, add in a few spoonfuls of caramel. Scoop the ice cream into an airtight container, layering in as much or as little caramel as you want. Seal it and freeze overnight before eating for optimal taste and texture. And there you have it, beet ice cream with a beet caramel swirl. If you're an adventurous eater, this just might be for you. It tastes earthy, sweet, creamy, and it's naturally a gorgeous color.